you don't feed her quick enough. That's good.
Just a little bit at a time. Sit down, Josh. Move out the way. Look.
He's hungry. Nom, nom, nom.
Pretty well.
Christian's feeding his sister.
Don't tease her. Put it in her mouth. She's hungry. She's singing.
That's a heavy. Christian, behind you.
Don't.
That's blueberry, by the way. You can see it behind you.
I don't knock the bowl over.
Can't see her in the video. No, now you can.
Don't worry about the cat. You stuck it too far down.
Oh,
the
sorry.
throat, honey. Pay attention to what you're doing.
Sorry.
Put it on her tongue and her mouth. Not down her throat, please.
She's messy. Messy baby. Messy Kaya.
It's okay.
Once.
Get that food across the chin.
I'm hungry too.
Yes, I have our food ready.
Yeah. Let's eat some food.
Trying to clean up the spot on that table.
Well, there's a computer there.
No, not on the dinner table.
No, this one's computer.
What about it?
What's wrong with that? All these moves. All these things. Baby. Feed the baby.
Chris, have your food over here.
Okay. Food is ready. I'm gonna get all the forks.
Put it in her mouth.
Look at what they do to this cat.
What are you talking about?
Joe and Debbie.
I showed it to you.
You saw what they did to this cat?
I showed you the picture. I thought I showed that to you.
You showed it to me. You showed it to me, Mom.
I only showed it to you?
Yeah.
Here, baby girl.
We can't see something.
Mine, you got. Mine.
Stop spitting. You spitty.
It's me.
Christian.
And then you're in the shop.
I know. That's the whole point. Do you have to watch The Hobbit? By the way, Kaya the Hobbit is the best movie ever created.
Christian, go sit down and eat.
Loud juice.
Okay, Josh.
You'll watch it when you're older. Well, actually, right now, since we're going to watch it.
Christian,
I'm sorry.
please.
You are annoying. Well, more than usual.
I think you're getting full. You're slowing down. Yeah, that fills you up a lot more. It does.
It does? That's what I was going to ask. Does it?
When you eat cereal, do you feel more full than just drinking milk?
Yeah.
Okay, same thing.
It's been waiting for a long time.
Are you done? Yummy. I think you're done.